welcome to my channel. I'm Mary Ann Dalagit from BS Ed Mathematics, and for today's video, I will teach you how to solve real-life problems regarding with the topic sets, real number system, exponents and polynomials, equation and inequalities. And without further ado, let's start.
The first topic that I will tackle is the set, and before we proceed to the problem solving, let us define what is a set. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Each object in a set is called an element of a set. So, ang set daw ay grupo ng pinagsama-samang objects with the same characteristics and classifications. So now, tapos na nating ma-define yung set. Let us proceed to the example problem or the problem solving. In a group of 60 people, 27 like cold drinks and 42 like hot drinks. And each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many like both cold and hot drinks? Solution. Let A be a set of people who like cold drinks and B a set of people who likes hot drinks. Then, we will determine the given. The first given is a group of 60 people, and the second is a set of people who like cold drinks, which is 27, and the number of people who likes hot drinks, which is 42. Then we will come up with this equation. Number of people in set A intersect with set B is equals to the number of people in set A plus the number of people in set B minus the total number of the people. So, 27 plus 42 minus 60 is equals to 69 minus 60 is equals to 9. Therefore, 9 people likes both cold drinks and hot drinks. Ngayon, ang ating susunod na lesson is all about real numbers. So, konting review lang tayo about sa real numbers. It is any positive or negative numbers. This includes all integers and all rational and irrational numbers. So, si real numbers, dito yung mga positive numbers, negatives, mga whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. Yung mga number na nabanggit ko ay nakapaloob lahat yun sa real numbers. Then, i-apply natin itong real number na ito sa real life. So, let's have our example. Lucas added 3/4 bag of soil to his garden, while Matthew added 6/5 bags of soil to his garden. How much more soil did Matthew add than Lucas? Here's our solution. For the first step, we need to find the given. We have Lucas added 3/4 bags of soil and Matthew added 6/5 bags of soil. What is the unknown or what do we need to find is the bag of soil Matthew added than Lucas. Then we will derive for the equation. Since we are talking about how much more soil did Matthew added than Lucas, we will be getting the difference between them. 6/5 bags for Matthew and 3/4 bag for Lucas. We will solve for the equation. We will multiply 5 and 4 to get the common denominator, which is 20. Then we will cross multiply it. 6 times 4 is equals to 24 and 3 times 5 is equals to 15. So we have 24 minus 15 over 20 is equals to 9 over 20. Therefore, Matthew added 9 over 20 more bags of soil to his garden. And let's proceed to the next topic, which is exponents and polynomials. It is solving problems involving polynomial equation, and here is the problem. A tree is supported by a wire anchored in the ground 5 feet from its base. The wire is 1 foot longer than the height that it reaches on the tree. Find the length of the wire. Solution. Let x be the height that reaches on the tree and x plus 1 be the length of the wire. We will use Pythagorean theorem that has a formula of c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared, where c squared is hypotenuse and a squared and b squared is the legs. So the c squared is x plus 1 is equals to a squared, which is x squared, plus the b squared is 5 squared. So let's simplify it. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is equals to x squared plus 25. Then let's make it to the standard form. X squared minus x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 25 is equals to 0. Then cancel out the x squared. Then ang natira na lang is 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. Tapos transfer natin sa 24 sa kabilang side. So magiging 2x is equals to 24. Then divide to both sides. Then we will come up with the answer x is equals to 12. Therefore, the length of the wire is 13. The fourth topic is quadratic equation. Then let's proceed to the problem solving. Here's the problem. A rectangular table has an area of 27 feet squared and a perimeter of 24 feet. What are the dimensions of the table? Solution. Let negative b over a is equals to 12 or b over a is equals to negative 12 and c over a is equals to 27. And let's make it a standard form. X squared plus b over ax plus c over a is equals to 0. X squared plus negative 12x plus 27 is equals to 0. Or x squared minus 12x plus 27 equals to 0. Let's factor it out. X minus 3 times x minus 9 is equals to 0. Let's equate. X minus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 9 is equals to 0. Then solve for x. X is equals to 3 or x is equals to 9. This implies that the width of the table is 3 feet and its length is 9 feet. So our last topic is all about inequalities. Let's proceed to the problem solving. Here's the example problem. John enters a race where he has to cycle and run. He cycles a distance of 30 km and then runs for 25 km. His average running speed is half of his average cycling speed. John completes the race in less than 2 hours. What can we say about his average speeds? Solution. Let S be the average running speed and 2S be the average cycling speed. Formulas. Speed is equals to distance over time or can be changed to time is equals to distance over speed. The race is divided into two categories, the cycling and the running. John completed the race less than 2 hours. We derive for the inequalities 30 over 2s plus 25 over s is lesser than 2. Let us solve. 30 over 2s plus 25 over s is lesser than 2. Then multiply both sides by 2s and it is equals to 30 plus 50 is lesser than 4s and 30 plus 50 is equals to 80 lesser than 4s. Then divide both sides by 4. We've come up to 20 is lesser than s. Then swap sides. S is greater than 20. So His average speed running is greater than 20 km per hour and his average speed cycling is greater than 40 kilometers per hour.
And that's all for this video. I hope na may natutunan kayo. Again, I'm Mary and B. Dalagit, and thank you for watching.